Hello traders, today I'm going to be reviewing one of the best platforms in the industry, and I'll give you my honest opinion after being with them for the past 3 months. Guys, this platform is FXIFY and is one of the nicest platforms that I've been with, and I recommend it to all of you guys. But I would like you guys to watch this video to the end so that you should understand why I'm saying this platform is the best. I'm gonna make my video very short, and yeah, let's get started. So I'll start with what account assessment they have. So they actually have like 2 assessments. The first one is the first phase assessment for people who like just to go through one assignment and then get funded. And then there's a 2-phase assessment for people who like to go 2-phase evaluation. This will actually depend on the what you guys are flexible of, and I would like you guys to lead more about this 1 phase, and let's keep on moving forward and take you through the 2-phase, because if it was me, I'll choose the 2-phase. So I'd like to take you through the 2-phase, see what is there and how much the account cost and so. All right, so this is actually a 2-phase, and down below, just wait for my network, it's actually tripping. Okay, so this is what they have for the traders and the expert, and you can get funded from 15K to 100K. Dive deep into, but I'll actually start with the 15K is to all the challenges. So you're supposed to be during your first phase, which is actually something that is achievable. You guys are able to do it, and you're supposed to make this in 30 days. But option where you can actually choose to have unlimited days trading account or taking your the second phase, they need you to make dollars, and your daily loss limit is only standard, industry standard, and the max drawdown overload, you're not supposed to lose more than 10 overload, right? And the next thing is that your drawdown is static. If they say 10% is 1.5 US dollars, it's going to be 1.5 US dollars. It is 5 days, and the minimum trading days for you to pass the challenge is 30. Like, choose to have unlimited days, and that will actually like add a 5% on your purchase. Thing is about the trading days. For the second evaluation is actually like unlimited days, and the profit spread is up to 75%. But for a start, you start with 75%, and then choose to. You can also like choose. There's an option to choose your daily your payout percentage. Is actually there. I mean, your payout profit spread, and the leverage is 50 to 100, which is actually good. And I don't think you guys could complain about that. And refundable fee is, I mean, the fee of purchasing your account is 99 US dollars, which is just like 100 US dollars. But there's an exciting thing about this. If you're going to use my link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount on your purchase, and they also have other massive discounts that when you combine those discount and my 10% discount, you're gonna get a very, very massive discount when you're purchasing your funded account. All right, so I'm also gonna tell you where you can get this massive discounts. Just stick to the video, and I'm gonna mention them as we go. So yeah, you can actually like buy any of the challenges. These prices, these guys have got massive discounts. I can say this platform is one of the cheapest platforms that I've ever seen, because their discount is actually good. They can go as far as 60% discount, 40% discount, 20%. So let me, oh, by the way, I've been with this platform for the past 2 months, and yeah, I've enjoyed being with them and everything that these guys have actually offered me. And yeah, you can see that I have completed my challenges, I've completed my KYC, I've joined the competition, I've also become the referral, and yeah, I would like to show you my certificates. All right, guys, so these are my certificates for passing the evaluation challenge, and this is my payout certificate, and I've also gotten my refund, which is 25% upon completing my challenge. And I'm recommending you guys to go for this platform, because this platform is one of the best platforms that I know, guys. It has very cheaper accounts, and the discounts are very massive. So you can actually like join their Discord as soon as you sign up with this platform. Join their Discord, and in their Discord they have they drop all the discounts that these guys have. And yeah, and as you're watching this video, just already know that you have a 10% discount once you use my link, and you can actually add the discount with those you're gonna get in the Discord community. And their customer service is actually very fast, and I just enjoy everything about this platform, because I just feel home being with them, and I'm actually looking forward to get more payouts and trade more with them. Otherwise, guys, thank you for watching this video. looking forward to see you jumping on board, and you can actually like purchase the accounts using PayPal, Visa, using Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or anything. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Otherwise, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and let me know what you think I can talk more about. Otherwise, have a very good day. Bye.